Hi, I'm Bec D. So I jumped off a cliff 3 years ago. I quit my job in the community in healthcare and I opened my own business as a holistic healer, and I haven't looked back. So I've been able to take that experience of trial and error and making lots of mistakes, and I've been able to help others with their businesses as well. So you're just about to hear from some of them. Now I coach people and help them remove the blocks to success that are holding them back from being all of who they came to be. So thank you for your time, and I look forward to journeying with you. The session is driven completely by you for whatever need you might have.
Hello, in this video I want to express my gratitude. Thank you so much, Bec, because I have experienced a huge transformation, inner transformation, and you has been in my life to facilitate this transformation. Honestly, before we met, I was worried about what's gonna happen in the healing. I was tense. I was into my victim position that for years and years I didn't know how to get out of there. I feel confident, I feel motivated, and much better, I feel inspired. I feel inspired because the work that we have done in this session, it uplifted me, upgraded me, and pushed me to take action to achieve my goals, and the way that you guided me in the meditation to manifest my wealth, to manifest what I want to achieve. That has been an amazing tool that I'm gonna use every day so I can get more and more of my heart desires. And thank you so much, because your help has been magical into my life, has been a big step, has been I don't know how to put words, because it's the experience and it's my feeling here in my heart that you've been witnessing my changes during these few months, how much I changed, how my energy is upgraded. So thank you, I feel so fortunate that I found you. Thank you so much, Bec. I love you.
I just would like to know, what was it that made you think of me to assist you with this?
Sure. The first session we did maybe 1 month before, but then later something else came up which was totally different, and this time it was something emotional that I was able to feel. I got a message from one of my clients which had something of mistrust and not trusting me and asking me questions which made me feel uncomfortable, and the whole night I was not able to sleep with that kind of emotions coming up of somebody is questioning me, my identity, and questioning me, not trusting me. So when I had that, immediately the first person I was like, I know that I wanted to heal this because this is triggering me. So I had this whole array of healers whom I usually work. I chose Bec because I could sense that this is something emotional and it might be connected to some of my past lives, or it can also come from any of the current challenges that I'm going through. So I wanted a person who is intuitive enough to connect to some of my past lives, or even in this current life if this is coming from like a pattern. So I knew that it was Bec because she had that intuitive ability to connect and see any past life or anything. And guess what? During the session, that's what happened. We had some contracts and agreements that was going on, which was not doing good at this time, and we were able to release it all. So that was what happened.
And how are you feeling now after that session on the emotional release?
So soon after the session, and even during the session, my total perspective about the whole event totally changed, because she was able to tell me that, do you want ease in your business? So that was her first question to me, because when I'm attracting this kind of people into my life, in some way or the other, I'm not choosing to have ease in my business. So that was the first question she asked, and that itself made that release, because I didn't have to, cling on with this person. I can just let her go, and there she is. She'll be outside and outside my world. And she said, it is your empire you are building, and you can attract people who can make you feel at ease by you choosing to have ease in your business. So that itself changed the whole perspective. I was able to release this person out. And as well, for my future, I know how to select people to work with, whom I align with. So it's not just about this one small emotional pain that was healed. It just builded out this new perspective I have in future, whom to work with, whom to say no to. So it's a huge, huge transformation.
And thank you so much for your time. I so appreciate it, Vishnupriya, that you can share this for people that might be considering an online session with me, and they may live in any part of the world, because we can let go of anything we choose to let go of, as we know. So I really appreciate your time, and I really appreciate you sharing so from your heart regarding the sessions with me.
Thank you, Bec. I should say thank you. You've done huge, massive transformation in my life. Thank you so much. You have taught me how I can live with ease in my life. So thank you so much, Bec. And I'm so happy that I could do this video with you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Because you don't just teach the class and then say, thanks for that, you're on your own, good luck. I know that I can come and speak to you. So I reached out to you, and you got back to me within half an hour or so, and you were so kind. I was able to give you a call and actually have a chat to you on the phone about it. And yeah, I just felt so much better, and it was so good to know that I could come to you with any questions or anything I was unsure of after the class had finished. So yeah, all those months later, being able to reach out to you and have that support was fantastic.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, I do pride myself on the follow-up and the support that I give people. So thank you for that. It means it's working.
Yes.
So it's easy to book online at becdtransformation.com. I look forward to meeting you online. Have a great day. Thanks for your time.